So there we go. Okay. I'll take it. That is acceptable. Three, 4. So I need to move it by 1/5 of that variance. So something like 2, 3, 4. 1/5 of that variance. 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's pretty good. I like that. And 2. That is acceptable. So there you have it, a challenge coin rack. Now, I have several military challenge coins from friends. I also have some geocaching coins and then makers coins. So these are things that makers make and trade. So if you want to trade a makers coin, let me know. But I wanted a rack to display and put them all out. And I have made a challenge coin rack in the past that was a flag in each of the stripes. There was a rack to hang them on. That was kind of cool, but I wanted to do something a little different. The only problem is now I need to find a place where do I want to hang this, and I don't quite know. But I'll figure that out eventually. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Is there anything I could have done better? Is there anything I could have learned? Anything that you would like to see me do differently next time? Please let me know that down below. Putting comments down there really helps out the channel, as well as hitting the like, share, subscribe. You know how that works. It really does get us in front of more people, helps the channel grow, and it means a lot. But if you really want to help us out, then there's names over here. Those names are some of the fantastic, wonderful, benevolent, gorgeous people over on Patreon. Because without patrons, we wouldn't exist. Between patrons and members, you guys are the ones that keep us going. You keep the lights on, you allow me to do projects, and really, without you guys, we would not be here. So if you want to help out with that, think about becoming a patron. Remember, we do have special perks for both, and I might be doing something interesting coming up at the end of the year, so stay tuned. I think that'll do it for now, and until next time, have a wonderful day. Most of the jokes at the end of my video are very bad, but in this case, they're very coiny.